I'm Dr. Neeru Mehra, Senior Consultant at Cloud9 Hospital, Sector 14, Gurgaon. So the topic of our discussion today is flu vaccine in pregnancy. So what is flu? Flu or influenza, it is a contagious respiratory illness which is caused by a virus. It affects your nasal cavity, the throat, and sometimes even the lungs. So the main symptoms which you might have when you are infected with flu are, you might have one symptom, or you might have couple of them, or you might have all of them, which includes maybe just a little bit of fever, cough, cold, a stuffy nose, running nose, body ache, or a generalized headache kind of a thing, fatigue, weakness. It spreads by droplet transmission. So whenever you are near a person who is having this infection and that person coughs or sneezes, so through the droplet infection you might get this. The infectivity of this thing, it starts for about 3 to 4 days after the onset of symptoms. It can be just a mild illness resolving on its own, starting from about 3 to 4 days to about 2 weeks, but in some patients, in high risk patients, it might lead to severe complications like maybe sinus infection or an ear infection, or it might even worsen a pre-existing asthma, especially in elderly patients and in pregnant ladies. So the main relevance of flu vaccine is pregnancy is that it is a very essential tool in our prenatal care which we give to the expectant mothers. The recommendation nowadays is that this flu vaccine should be given to all the pregnant ladies who are going to be pregnant in the flu season. Now, why is it so important? See, basically what happens is that the flu, as such, it causes mild symptoms, but sometimes it can lead to severe infections as well. And moreover, when you are pregnant, so there are, even though you might be very healthy, but there are certain changes in the immune system, in your lungs and in your heart which occur during pregnancy, and so that you are more likely to get the serious complications of flu if you get it during pregnancy. And secondly is that it also gives protection to your baby. Basically what a vaccine does is that whenever we give you a vaccine, so your body, it makes antibodies, and these protect you against these infections. So now these flu antibodies, they cross the placenta and they go into the baby's circulation, and so the baby is also protected from this infection till about 6 months after your delivery. Severe flu in pregnancy sometimes can even lead to preterm labor or sometimes even a stillbirth, and then it is also transmitted in the breast milk, so it is beneficial for the baby. Now you might ask me, is this vaccine safe? So see, it is absolutely safe to give this vaccine during pregnancy. There are two types which are available. One is a live attenuated one and one is an inactivated. So during pregnancy, it is the inactivated vaccine which should be given. When to give this flu shot? So ideally, flu shot should be given at least about 2 weeks before the flu season starts. In India, in North India, normally the flu season, it's around monsoon season. So ideally it should be given in the month of April and May, but then we do not restrict ourselves to only these months. Whenever you come for pregnancy, for a checkup, and suppose if a flu season is there or it is impending and you have not got your flu shot, then it is mandatory for you to get a flu shot. And moreover, these strain of the virus, it keeps on changing yearly. So yearly a new vaccine is released. So even if you had the flu vaccine the previous year, so again this year also you need to take the vaccine. And despite this documented evidence that the vaccination protects you against influenza, but the uptake of this vaccine as such is very poor. So guys, it's time that you roll up your sleeves and get your flu shot. Thank you.